Hello everyone, welcome to How to Login. Today I'm back with another video on how to download Netflix application on your PC. If you'd like to download the Netflix app on your PC and start streaming with your favorite TV shows or movies, keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. When it comes to downloading Netflix application on your PC, you'll need to remember that Netflix is available on many devices. You can install Netflix on your Android phones, iPads, and also on your Windows. If you'd like to access Netflix from your internet browser, you can go to www.netflix.com and press enter, sign into your account, and you'll be good to go. But if you have a Windows 8 or Windows 10 computer and you'd like to download the app for the Windows, what you can do is go and open up your Microsoft Store from the Start menu. Make sure you're signed into your Microsoft account, and once you are, go to the search button in the top right corner and click it on. Type in Netflix into the search box and search. You'll be able to find the Netflix application in the search result on the next page. Click on the application. As soon as you do that, you'll be able to see an install button at the right corner. Click on that button and your download will start. Wait until the downloading process is finished. And once it is installed, click on the launch button to open it up. And there you have your application downloaded on your computer. Now you can go to the sign in button in the top right corner in order to log into your account. But if you don't have one, click on get started, choose your plan that you'd like to start with. And that is it. That is how you can easily get Netflix application installed on your PC. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have anything to say to us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.